Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to know how we went from this to this beautiful bridal look, keep on watching. Yes, so now I'm moving on to hair. This is a mini hair tutorial. I'm not really going to talk through this hair part because you guys, I don't know anything about hair, but a particular picture I wanted, like I had a picture in my mind for this hair and she did an amazing job. So the attachment she's using is like the regular, is not like any kind of hair, it's just the regular attachment you used to do like your braids. I'm going to put her handle in the description box. She's an amazing hairstylist. She's based in Abuja, Nigeria. And yeah, so let me just do like a small introduction in case you're new to this channel. So my name is Yusi. I am a professional makeup artist based in Abuja, Nigeria. And this page is not really just about makeup, it's about fitness, it's about lifestyle. Like I decided to lose weight, so I document it, I make videos. You can just check the channel. And yeah, so for today we're doing makeup. Okay, we're not talking fitness, and this is her just doing her thing with the hair. And this is the right time. I'm new to YouTube, so if you haven't subscribed, you guys hit the subscribe button and like this video, because just like it, like you're actually going to learn stuff. Just like it, you guys, really. So yeah, this is her, just she's done with one part of the hair. You can see the center part is not really done, so she's still going to continue to do that. And she's done finishing touches. And this headpiece we're actually about to put really gave us a tough time. It actually gave us a tough time, and the reason why I decided to do this entire hair and makeup tutorial is because I did this makeup in 2019, and you guys, everybody loved it. Like everybody loved this makeup. They loved the photography, they loved everything about it. So I was like, yeah, it should actually be on YouTube. So yeah, that's why it's here. So now we're done with hair, and now we're going to go to makeup. So I already did her skin prep, and in 2019 I used to use makeup magnesia. That's why you can see like the white dots on her face. So yeah, I use makeup magnesia on her face. I don't use that anymore, and you shouldn't too. It's not really healthy for the skin. And yeah, so I'm using, this is a Nigerian brand foundation. It's Avour Cosmetics. I used two shades because one shade was too light and one shade was too dark, so I kind of mixed it to get her foundation shade. I'll put the foundation shade in the description box. So I'm using this beauty blender. It's also a Nigerian brand, Debbie Loster beauty blender. Is really amazing, and I'm just going to go ahead to buff this in. So the reason why I like this foundation is that it is matte and it's also blendable, so it doesn't give you the kind of matte feel where it's too thick to blend. It blends in just fine. Okay, it actually blends in just fine. And I'm going for a bridal look. So bridal looks, normally they can be dewy, but at the same time they should be matte, because they would swear, they would cry, the look should be able to last for a while. So I'm just going ahead to buff in the foundation. You can see the foundation match. I'm going ahead just to buff everything in and make sure it's even. What I normally do is that I do one side first, then I would go to the next side. So one side done, and now I'm done with the entire foundation. And I really love the foundation match and the coverage it gave me. I really love it. And now I'm blending the neck. So most people always forget to blend the neck. So if you've been following me on my Instagram or my YouTube, I always tell you guys, always blend the neck. Okay, so I'm just going ahead to just buff it in and make sure it stays, is blended. And the next step would be concealing. So guys, I already went ahead with my Nuban Beauty concealer in 042. You guys, I really love this concealer because it blends properly and the coverage is amazing. I went ahead to blend out under her eye properly, so now I just started to film blending in like the bridge of her nose, her forehead, and her chin, because I did not see this clip. I could swear I recorded it, but I can't actually see it. But yeah, this is the Nuban Beauty concealer in 042, super blendable. Just that it's something I always use. So if you watch my previous video, you will know that this is a concealer I always use, but you have to blend really fast. Okay, you actually have to blend really fast, because if you don't blend really fast, it's going to dry out and it's going to be hard for you to blend out. It might leave a patch, so you just have to blend properly. So if you notice the way I'm using my beauty blender, I'm flipping sides. So there's a side I use for my foundation. I use that side to blend out the edges of the concealer. Then you guys, beauty blenders have like different uses. I should do a video on that. So but that might be my next video, or maybe that shall be the next video. So now I'm going in with, this is a MAC mineralized skin finish powder in dark. I usually go in with this powder before I go in with my setting powder. It just kind of gives me a skin like finish, so that's what I'm going to do. Then now I'm using her own shade of powder. This is a L'Oreal powder. I'm going to put everything in the description box. So this is a L'Oreal powder. I'm just going around it before I go to set, just to set the entire face with her shade of powder. So now my makeup process and my makeup, like what I do with my makeup, like it has changed because I shot this video and I filmed this video in 2019. This is 2021, so my makeup has obviously changed. That's if you check my previous videos. Okay, so now I've gone ahead to set her entire face, and I've gone ahead to set I contoured, and I've used blush. So when I'm doing like a bridal look, I like to go soft with the contour, and if the bride likes blush, I go in with my blush, because blush kind of gives you the bridal feel. So you can see how I used a lot of blush here. It seems like a lot, but it's not really a lot. So I'm going just to blend it in. Then the next thing would be her brows. So now I've gone ahead to draw her brows, and now I drew her brows. I concealed it. I didn't film this because I'm going to film a detailed brow tutorial. So all you have to do is subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can know when I post. And now I'm using her shade of powder to just to set the powder under her eyes. So for a bridal look, you would really want the look to be soft, so you don't really go too light with stuff, like with your highlighting, with your contouring. Everything just has to be soft. Do you understand? So yeah, I'm just this is me just setting the powder under her eyes, and I've gone ahead to do her eyeshadow. I did this off camera, you guys. I actually did it off camera because it was for a shoot and we didn't have time, so I actually had to do it off camera. But then I used the Inglot palette, and if you want a tutorial on this eye look, just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, so after that I went ahead to put on lashes. The eyes, you guys, the eyes are really popping, and I did her lip stain. So if you want this tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. And I'm going ahead to use lip gloss. I just went very soft. I actually did a very bright pink lip stain, but I cleaned it, so that's why you're seeing like a tint of pink. It was not intentional, but it actually came out really nice. And yeah, because I wanted it to be pink, I wanted like a pinkish nudish kind of thing, but it actually came out dark, a bit dark, but it suits the look anyway. So I'm just going to I'm just adding my my gloss to her lips, and yeah. So this is basically what we're doing now. I'm just adding the gloss, and I'm using a brush but now I don't really use a brush anymore, because sometimes it depends on the lip gloss. The brush might leave the lipstick, and you don't really want that. So yeah, this is it now. This is how the look is now. Remember, the powder is still set, everywhere is still set, and I'm going to go ahead to buff this out, the setting powder under her eye out. You guys, I love these eyes. Like, I love these eyes. If you want a tutorial on this look, you guys, let me know in the comment section of the eye look. So yeah, this is it's all buffed out. Now I'm going in with the TM Essential Tint and Tame. These are all Nigerian brands. Okay, these are all Nigerian brands. I'll put them in the description box so you guys can like check that out. And now for my setting spray, I'm using the So Pro Cosmetic setting spray, and I might have put too much setting spray. I might just have but everything still came out nice. Like I said, my makeup game has improved compared to like this video, but I just decided to share this video because everybody liked the picture, and yeah. So this is a 2019, like my routine in 2019. If you watch my previous videos, you will know that it has changed. And I'm just putting highlighter. So I'm using the MAC. I can't remember the name of the MAC, but I'll put in the description box. So I'm using a MAC highlighter just everywhere, and I'm using this brush. But now I use a flat brush to apply my highlighter. I don't really use this brush anymore to apply my highlighter. So for the highlighting on the nose, I really go soft with it. I don't want it to be like her nose to be too highlighted. So everything soft, everything is soft. So if you haven't subscribed, you guys, subscribe to my channel, okay? And don't forget to like. More videos, more tutorials are coming up. And yeah, so guys, this is the finished look. You guys, you can see how everything has come together, the eyes, the lips, the hair. You guys, like this veil was my mom's wedding veil. I just found it in the house. Like for my shoots, I like to improvise, and I really love how this came out. It actually came out really amazing. So guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to ask me any question in the comment section. I'll definitely answer you. All my handles will be in the description box. And yeah, so guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. This is Bristlesbyucee signing out.